doesn't matter. We've had our thick and thin, enough to know that I would rather not go through life without you. And in the end, I'm just glad we're friends. And in the end, I'm just glad we're friends. This life keeps moving on, and we keep moving with it. There's been some ups and downs, so I'd like to take a minute just to say I am here to stay. 'Cause in the end, I'm just glad we're friends. I can't pretend, I'm just glad we're friends. La da 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 la da 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 la da 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 la da 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 da. And in the end, I'm just glad we're friends. And in the end, I'm just glad we're friends. I'll say it again, I'm just glad we're friends.
We feeling up tonight, doing alright. We don't really care what happens tomorrow. Up tonight, feeling okay. We don't wanna waste another day. If you feel inside that happiness vibe, yeah, we feeling up.
Yeah, I'm loving life every single day. I got that sunlight on my face. We vibe high when we in them rays. We even smile when we in the rain. And if you're down, yo, I feel your pain. But rise up and give it everything. Yeah, we love life every single day. Every single day.
We feeling up tonight, doing alright. We don't really care what happens tomorrow. Up tonight, feeling okay. We don't wanna waste another day. If you feel inside that happiness vibe, yeah, we feeling up. Let's get it.
Yeah.
We're feeling
I
up.
remember long roads with the windows down, fall asleep to the ocean sounds, no stresses. We don't need a plan, that's how you do when you living in a camper van. We taking flight just like a bird. I think we're higher than we ever were. Yeah, we can't stop, that's just how we living. Fresh fruit, green tea, veggies in the kitchen. The picture perfect life is just how you vision. Right around the corner, you just have to go get it. The sun sets on another day, but these memories will never fade.
We feeling up tonight, doing alright. We don't really care what happens to
I'ma tell you something right now. You best not ever forget. This is it, man.